Hey y'all, how you doing? I'm sitting down and deciding to take the night off of doing anything because I just got bit by a garden spider of some sort. It had to be. It had to be. That's the only thing that makes sense. I was taking some stuff out of the bags that I had vegetables in, and first of all, I thought it was a mosquito. This mosquito was flying around me and it was just being a real pain in the butt. It bit me at least twice, the mosquito. And then next thing you know, I thought that because in my jerking to get the mosquito away, I thought I hit my finger on the ground. That's what it felt like. It felt like I'd slammed my finger on the ground, on the bone. I was like, that doesn't make sense. I looked at my finger, it was swelling real big, real quick. Ran in the house and I started running some water over it and trying to see at first I thought okay, is it a bee sting or something like that? But there were no bees around. We all know there's not many bees around. I started looking at it. I saw this one black spot on my finger, and the swelling has gone down tremendously now. But if I was in better lighting, maybe I'll just go to better lighting. You'll see that there's a black spot right in the crease of my finger. So yeah, I must have we started Googling and everything. So yeah, it seemed like it was a garden spider, according to the internet when we were looking it up. I don't have any known autoimmune things going on, but those types of things make your immune system jump into action. And so I'm realizing, I decided I'm just going to chill out right now. But it hurts because let me just go to better lighting. So the swelling is way down now. It's pretty almost normal. Stupid Elmo. Though you can see how my veins are kind of protruding right there. But if you see there's right there. Bye, Elmo. You can see that it's darker right there. That's where I must have got bit. You can see how my finger's kind of swollen, but it's down way more than it was before. Before it was huge, Will Smith and Hitch huge. But yeah, this stuff, you see even my immune system and everything is responding. It's fascinating for the geek I am, but at the same time, it hurts. I was wondering if I had gloves on. I did. I didn't have huge thick leather gloves, which I might invest in now, but I did have gloves on. I didn't have shoes on, so thankfully it wasn't at the bottom of my feet, because it would have been the worst. Just the way I think about these things, I'm okay, let me calm down, especially because I'm supposed to go to the doctor tomorrow. Now I'm just extra sensitive, everything gets heightened, and so everything that brushes my skin is oh, get away from me. Garden spiders are real, and again, I looked it up, if you have an autoimmune issue, then it could be an issue because it will just kick everything into too high of gear, but that's not the case here. So I'm gonna So real quick, I wanted to share a drink that I'm going to be drinking tonight. Specifically, I try to drink it almost every night, especially when I feel that I might be inflamed for whatever reason, especially with the changes in a lot of humidity and stuff like that. My sinuses get really terrible. So I try to do things that help to keep my inflammation in general down. Now, with me being bit, and I know that it's just a natural response for your body to try and go to where I'm just itchy, ugh, now. I need to try to help you by, bring the blood to where it needs to go and everything like this. This is what I'm really going to drink double up on tonight. That's what I was going to say. It's basically 3 ingredients, or 4 if you want to make it 4. It's a tart cherry juice, or even just regular cherry juice. Tart cherry juice is better. And I got these from Trader Joe's. They do have other ones that are more expensive that you can get elsewhere, but this is what I had when I was at the store, what they had. I also add a teaspoon of turmeric in the drink. So maybe like a whole glass. Usually I don't have a glass right here, but a glass with some cherry juice. You can dilute it with water if you want, especially if you have one that has a concentrate. Then this is what I do. I'm not telling you what to do, okay? Not getting in that trap. And I put some turmeric, usually like a teaspoon, or maybe that's a lot, maybe half a teaspoon. Yes, half a teaspoon of turmeric. And that's why I like to add the water, because it can get kind of, okay? One full, let me just get a glass. I'm being so lazy, right? Let's say it's this size glass, right? I will fill it with like 1 part water, and then the rest of it with the cherry juice, or you can do more water if that's what you want, especially if you have like the one that's the concentrate. Again, what I do, I put about half a teaspoon of turmeric. This particular one, like I've tagged, is from Diaspora Co. I also just purchased some more from Anima Mundi. I like single origin turmeric that I'm going to be having in like this type of concoction tonic. If you got a good organic ground one too, just watch where you get your turmeric from. Especially like if I'm going to make turmeric in a dish, just in general, I usually just use a better spice. In general, try to use better spices. But have 2 teaspoons of turmeric, then you want to put a pinch of black pepper, or if you have some sort of black pepper extract, or just a little black pepper, because it helps with the bioavailability of the turmeric in your body. Yeah, mix it up, drink it down. If you want to be even more like making sure you're getting everything together, you can put a little bit of coconut oil into the tonic, but it's a lot. So you can actually have some sort of oil source either before or after it to help with the absorption in the body, because black pepper and fat helps with the absorption of turmeric. So eventually I'm going to put this on my blog, and I'm probably going to post this story to my YouTube channel, just because why not. And I'm going to make my drink, this concoct tonic, and I do see a great decrease in inflammation when I drink it, especially like if I drink it before I go to sleep, and if I just feel inflamed, like my throat is sore, or like sometimes when I'm my ankle, I have like this weird tendon thing that's going on, that's been going on since I was pregnant. And if I drink it properly, then I do see a reduction. So tonight I'm going to drink it, especially with all the stuff going on right now, and hopefully that helped you. Let me know if you've ever made some sort of tonic like this, okay? Or thought of it. Somebody's eating rice. Bye, y'all.